Hello, my name's Scott Cutcher. I'm with France Lighting Solutions, and this is this week's Minute to Win It. So we're going to do something a little different. We're going to have a little discussion of something that's very uncomfortable right now, and that is we are having a hard time getting products in for our industry from our overseas partners, and it's really starting to feel a crunch. And I wanted to take a moment and tell you what we're doing about it here at France. So one of the products that's very popular is this LED can, right? So you can put a toggle switch on it, you're able to open it up, put a power supply inside of it, put your conduit coming into the knockouts, out the other side. So it's really important in a lot of different type of applications. It's a simple product, but it has become very difficult to get what we need when we need it. So what we've done here at France is we've dusted off one of our machines, so to speak, even though it's running on other things, but we've redesignated some of the time on that machine for a custom die to be able to create this. This is actually one of them that we created off of our own machine. As you can tell, it's a high quality, great looking product, simple, and we're able to manufacture that in the US. Why is that important? Well, with everything going on and our world in constant chaos, France and other good vendors out there, we're all having discussions and everyone's starting to figure out how can we bring things back to the US so we can meet time frames and serve your customers for you. So that's one way that France is there for you and serving you. And that's this week's Minute to Win It.